Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about Japan Airlines 777, their older first class compared to A350. Question is this still worth it? Well, the short answer is totally it is. I redeemed this flight for 85,000 American Airlines points. It is hard to beat, and we'll dissect why it's still worth it and the oldie but still goodie. I'm excited to share my Japan Airlines first class from Chicago to Haneda. Japan Airlines check-in counter is along the far end, but super efficient. This is a 777 we'll fly today, and I can't wait. Let's go. Now the 777 is Japan Airlines' older first class setup compared to A350. The A350 flies out from JFK and also Dallas, Fort Worth, and Los Angeles. But that means ORD or Chicago is the best bet for award redemptions. Personally, I still find this cabin spacious and private. Let's check out what's in this amenities bag. Actually, I kept this and used it. Outside of basic items, they do have a USB cord and a face mask. Here are the slippers. Some airlines have super small slippers, but these slippers are nice and comfy and large. Here are the controls for the seat. There's lots of storage compared to other setups. So you can store your electronics, passports, and everything else. And here's my excited face, ready to take off. Let's go. These views are one of the reasons flying never gets old. I fly a lot, and this still amazes me. Let the show begin, starting out with warm towels, a mousse-bouche, and of course, Salon champagne. This is actually my first time trying Salon. I love it, smooth, small bubbles, and so easy to drink. Cheers to you guys. So I'll say this meal probably rates and one of my top meals on airlines compared to Emirates and Singapore. Everything's delicious, better than restaurants in Japan. How does it compare to ANA First Class? Hands down beats ANA First Class catering. Of course, you gotta try their other champagnes. That's the best way to test what you like. The main entree did not disappoint. Scallop, white rice, who would have thought? But everything's flavorful, delicious. And for dessert, they had a pear and a jelly. So good. Of course, you gotta try Queen of Blue tea while you're with Japan Airlines. One of the best black teas out there. Gotta do it. One of the reasons I still like this setup is that it's such a wide bed, you could get restful sleep. Their snacks did not disappoint. Cod with miso soup, delicious. Pumpkin soup, also really good. Chicken yakitori with curry, delicious. Of course, and then with the fruit. So in summary, the 777 is totally worth it. Still great service, great food. I'll rate it 8 out of 10. I would definitely rate it higher than ANA First Class, even their new hard product, but underneath Emirates First Class. Join up for more reviews and trips. See you guys later.